Have you ever felt like you just can't get yourself to work on your game? You sit down, ready to start, but suddenly nothing. You scroll your phone, watch a video, do literally anything except what you are supposed to. You start thinking, am I just lazy? No, you are not lazy. You just don't have a strong enough reason. And today, I am going to show you how to find yours. Let's get one thing straight. Laziness is rarely a real problem. If you have ever spent hours grinding in a game, binge watching a show, or even deep dive to a random internet rabbit holes, then you do have the ability to focus. So why does it feel impossible when it comes to your own projects? It's not about effort, it's about desire. Your brain naturally seeks meaning. When something feels pointless, you resist it. But when something excites you, you can work for hours without even noticing a time passing. The trick is to make your work feel as engaging as your favorite game. If you're struggling to stay motivated, ask yourself, why I am doing this? For some, it's a dream of making a living from their games. For others, it proving to themselves that they can create something amazing. Maybe you just want people to enjoy what you build. Whatever it is, your reason has to be bigger than the resistance. And here's the secret. Your reason doesn't have to be deep or profound. It just has to be personal. Maybe you just want to finish a game so you can say, I did it. Maybe you want to impress your friends, or maybe you just want to prove your past self wrong. It doesn't matter. What matters is that it moves you. Sometimes motivation isn't an issue, friction is. If working on your game feels overwhelming, your brain will resist. The trick: lower the difficulty of starting point. Instead of telling yourself, I have to work on my game for 4 hours, try this. I will just open my project and fix one small thing. And you will notice that you end up working for hours and you didn't even notice. It's the same reason why opening a game leads to just one more level, turning into the hours of play. Reduce mental load, make the first step easy, let work pull you in. Your surrounding shapes your behavior more than you think. If your workspace is filled with distraction, it's no wonder you struggle to focus. Try this. Remove distraction. Put your phone in another room or use an app blocker. Make your workspace inviting. A clean, focused setup can make a huge difference. Use triggers. For example, having a work playlist that you only play when working on your game can train your brain to associate that music with productivity. So in future, whenever you play that music or playlist, your brain will automatically go into the focus mode. Your willpower is limited. So instead of fighting distractions, design an environment where focus happens naturally. You're not lazy, you just need a reason that excites you, a way to make starting easy, and an environment that helps to stay on track. Now here's my question. What is your why? What is the one thing that would make all the struggle worth it for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, subscribe for more content like this and watch our latest video, Art of Game Designer. Until then, we will see you in the next one. Bye.